Want to unlike reels that you've liked on Instagram? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to unlike reels on Instagram at once. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Tap on your activity. Go to likes at the very top. Here, it will show you all the liked contents. Now tap on select at the top right. Then, select the reels that you want to unlike. After you're done, tap on unlike at the bottom. Tap on unlike again to confirm the action. And that is how to unlike all reels on Instagram at once. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.